Window replacement is an essential home improvement project that can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your property. However, it's a task that requires careful consideration and planning to avoid costly mistakes. For homeowners in Sanford, the local climate and varying architectural styles add an extra layer of complexity. Whether you're replacing windows for better insulation or simply updating the look of your home, understanding common pitfalls will help you avoid unnecessary stress and expenses. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most common mistakes is selecting a window that doesn't suit the specific needs of your home. There are various types of windows, such as double-hung, casement, and sliding, each offering different benefits. When choosing a window, it's crucial to consider both the functionality and the aesthetic value it brings to your home. For instance, in Sanford's climate, you may need windows that provide excellent insulation to combat the humidity and heat in the summer months. Ensure that the window type you choose aligns with your home's architectural style. If you're unsure which window style works best for your property, consult with a window replacement professional who can guide you based on your home's design and your personal preferences. Ignoring energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your energy bills, especially in areas like Sanford, where the weather can be unpredictable. Failing to prioritize energy efficiency is a mistake that can lead to higher energy costs in the long run. Look for windows that have low emissivity, low E coatings and insulating properties, such as double or triple glazing. These windows will help keep your home comfortable by minimizing heat transfer and blocking harmful UV rays. In addition, the frame material plays a role in energy efficiency. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood frames are all great choices for insulation, but metal frames might not offer the same level of thermal protection. Choosing energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in both your comfort and utility bills. DIY installation without proper experience. Many homeowners in Sanford may consider tackling window replacement as a DIY project to save money. However, this can lead to poor installation and costly repairs down the line. Window installation requires precision to ensure that the windows are properly sealed and aligned. If the installation is not done correctly, you risk issues such as drafts, water leaks, and compromised insulation. Hiring a professional window installer ensures that the job is done right the first time. They are experienced with the specific requirements of window replacement and understand local building codes. While DIY installation might seem like an appealing option, the potential savings could be outweighed by the cost of fixing mistakes later on. Overlooking proper measurement. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful window replacement project. Taking measurements incorrectly can result in windows that are too large or small for the existing openings. This not only wastes money but can also lead to structural problems. Additionally, improperly sized windows may cause issues with the sealing process, compromising the insulation of your home. Ensure that you measure both the width and height of the window opening at multiple points. If you're unsure about measuring correctly, it's best to leave it to a professional who will guarantee precision. Neglecting to check for hidden damage. When replacing windows, it's essential to check for any hidden damage around the window frame or the surrounding structure. Sometimes, water damage or rot can go unnoticed, especially if the damage is not immediately visible. Failing to address these issues during the window replacement process can lead to further damage down the road. Before installing new windows, it's important to have the entire window frame and surrounding area thoroughly inspected. If any rot, mold, or structural issues are found, these should be addressed before proceeding with the installation of new windows. Underestimating the importance of professional help. Window replacement is not a task to be taken lightly. While it may seem like a manageable project, hiring professionals who specialize in window installation can make all the difference. They bring expertise, proper tools, and a deeper understanding of local conditions, ensuring that your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Additionally, professional installers often provide warranties for their work, offering peace of mind that any issues will be addressed at no extra cost. Opting for professional help also ensures that your windows meet local building codes and safety regulations. Choosing the cheapest option. While it's tempting to opt for the cheapest windows on the market, this can often lead to disappointment in terms of performance and longevity. Cheap windows may not offer the same level of insulation, durability, or aesthetic appeal as higher quality options. In the long run, it's worth investing in quality windows that will provide better energy efficiency, improved comfort, and a higher resale value for your home. In conclusion, replacing windows is a significant investment, and avoiding common mistakes can help ensure that the process is smooth and successful. By selecting the right windows, prioritizing energy efficiency, hiring professionals for installation, and addressing any underlying issues, you can achieve the best results for your home in Sanford. Taking the time to plan carefully and avoid these mistakes will save you money, time, and frustration in the long run.